Hi everyone, I'm going to be making Swiss steak today. In a dish I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also adding 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. I'm going to mix this up. I have 4 cube steaks that are already tenderized, and I'm going to dredge them in the flour. Shake off a little excess and put them on a paper plate. Put them on a plate. And you could also use a more tender choice of beef if you wanted to. In a skillet, I've heated up 1/4 cup of olive oil over medium-high heat. I'm going to cook this on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. I want it to get a nice golden crust on it, and then I'm going to remove it to a plate. And if you can get more than one in your pan at a time, that would be fine. I can only fit one in my pan. I remove the meat to a platter. I put in a splash more of olive oil, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, salted butter. I scrape down the bits and pieces at the bottom of the pan. I'm adding 1 sliced yellow onion and 2 celery stalks that I've chopped. I'm going to saute these for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to pour in 1 cup of beef broth, and yes, this is chicken broth, because I cannot find it anywhere in my cabinet. I've torn it apart and it's not there. So I'm going to put chicken broth in, but you're supposed to use beef broth. This is a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and I'm using the Italian style ones. I'm also going to pour in a 15 ounce tomato sauce. So I've brought this up to a simmer, and I'm going to add the steaks back in here. And they probably will be overlapping a little bit so I can get them all in there. I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to simmer it for 45 minutes. So here's my Swiss steak. This goes well over rice, pasta, or even mashed potatoes. So if you guys could give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that. And thank you guys for watching.